Hey guys, my name is CJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deal with mud coming in the house from your dogs. I have two beautiful dogs and I love them very much, Bruno and Indy. So the problem is that they are running out the door, the sunroom. I actually have a doggy door there. Created that because Bruno ran through the one screen and had to create a doggy door, and that works great, by the way. You can do that, get that on Amazon. But anyway, so what's happening is this whole area was literally filled with mud because in the wintertime, obviously there's not as much sunlight, but this area is not getting sun hit down specifically, and that's why there's a lot more mud and less grass. So the grass is really not growing through in this area, but it is elsewhere, right? So I was like, what can I do? How can we stop this mud from coming in the house? You know, my wife found this thing on Amazon where you clean their paws, and I'm like, okay, well, you're basically saying you want to give the dogs a bath every time they come in the house from the bathroom. And we do walk our dogs, but you know, we don't always have time to walk them. You know, we work a full-time job. So what is the solution for this kind of problem? The best solution, I would say, and I talk to a lot of people, and Tractor Supply Company sells premium pine shavings. They have large, big flakes, and they have little flakes. This is something you would find in like a hamster cage or a guinea pig. It's basically the same thing. They even use this for horses and farms. Fluffs for comfort, absorbent, soft flake, low dust. This is 8 cubic feet, okay, and wanted 2 layers at least, so I did 2 bags. Actually, that's the second bag, and I'm not even done. I just wanted to show you what it's like. So you pick it up. Sometimes it does come clumpy, but you just kind of break it up. You can pick up the bag and kind of shake it out, but you're going to get some clumps like this where it's kind of stuck together, and you want to just kind of rip it apart and separate it. If it is clumpy like that, sometimes you get a clump because sometimes you get a little wet. So you just throw it down wherever you have mud, and then once you're done, I would recommend you just kind of step on it so it doesn't really float away too much. You can even just wet it a little bit. I wouldn't heavily soak it. It hasn't rained here in a long time in Georgia where I'm at. So you can wet it a little bit with your hose and then, you know, let it sit, step on it. This way the flakes aren't really just flying away. I've had it down for a couple days now and you don't see any flakes out there really so much. And it's not really getting in the house. We have a sunroom, but it's very little getting in the sunroom here. So there's really not much to it. It's simple. This is very inexpensive. This is $6, $6.99, let's say $7 at Tractor Supply Company, 8 cubic feet. So if you're looking at an area this big, I definitely recommend it. 2 is pretty much good for what I needed. I had military discount. If you're a veteran, they do military discount. And they also gave me a birthday present coupon. So I'm only doing it where the mud is, right? And then any other areas that maybe I find a spot where there's some mud or it's not really growing grass, you can throw that down there as well. So it's a simple fix, guys. It's very easy. You know, instead of spending all this money wasting water and soap, washing your dog's paws, all the headache and aggravation, just go to Tractor Supply Company or Lowe's or anywhere that sells like pine shaving flakes. Maybe not pine if you don't have it, anything that's like this, and just get it, buy it, pick it up, and then throw it down on the ground, stomp on it, wet it a little bit, and that's it. And this is just something I'm gonna do for the winter. I'm not doing this during the summer. I mean, and then what's great is this can get picked up by the lawnmower, and that's a simple, you know, way to get it up if you're ready to pick it up and let the grass grow again. So, but other than that, guys, that's about it. I hope you like this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think, what your ideas are. I think this is a great solution. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.